Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Arabic Khatawaat. I'm going to read about 40 different words that we have put together in our 3-day vocabulary boost. Please listen and use the words you hear in your own examples. So let's begin. Hakama, hakama, to rule, reign, or govern. Asa'a, asa'a, to hurt or offend. Amala, amala, to treat. قرر قرر, to decide. رعى رعى, to care for or sponsor. حضن حضن, to hug. أنشأ أنشأ, to establish or to create. منح منح, to grant. أصدر أصدر, to publish or he issued. تواجد تواجد, to be located. تجاهل تجاهل, to ignore. تجسس تجسس, to spy on. اخترق اخترق, to penetrate. استهدف استهدف, to target. ضحى ضحى, to sacrifice. كشف كشف, to discover. استعد استعد, to get ready. حاكم حاكم, to prosecute. محكوم محكوم, sentenced or prosecuted. حكمة حكمة, wisdom. محكمة محكمة, court. اتهم اتهم, to accuse. صور صور, to take a picture. علق علق, to hang. شكر شكر, to thank. ناسب ناسب, to suit. مناسب مناسب, suitable. مناسبة مناسبة, occasion. بالمناسبة بالمناسبة, by the way. بطاقة بطاقة, card. ملاحظة ملاحظة, note. تذكر تذكر, to remember. And those were about 40 different words that you can learn in 3 days or 1 day, depending on your pace. Try to join our live practice sessions. You can find the links below. That way you learn how to activate these words in real situations based on scenarios. So I'll see you in upcoming sessions. Ma salama.